Okay, you're on the phone now because my camera died. All you have to do for this is you might have to pry it from here with a pry bar, which I have done. And you just push down on the brake like that, and it should pop out. On the other side, however, it was pretty seized to this. You might have to I used PB Blaster, and then I pried it off. So I made a discovery. The only reason the spring came out so easy is because it broke off inside of it, with the voice crack and everything. Look at the spring. So now I have to pry this out. To get the top bump stop out, you kind of have to just pry it out. Nah, that's really it. You might need this. Lubricate it. Just like that. Coils that are closer together go towards the bottom, so you just slide it over the bump stop. It should be like this. It doesn't matter what way you put it in. Oh, by the way, you grab a new spring. You just put it in like this, and then you kind of have to push back down on the, maybe get a pry bar. So now that your spring's in, what I did on the other side, I took the jack and jacked it up where the spring goes in order to line up the bolt on the strut. So you just thread that back in and then tighten it up with the impact wrench. Put your wheel on, lower the car, and you are done. So this is where I'm going to end today's video. If you guys liked it, please make sure you like the video. And I really want you to subscribe, but if you don't want to, it's fine. I had a lot of fun doing this. And I hope you like this. I'm going to end the video out with a little bit of driving. Goodbye! Was it just me, or do my brakes feel better too now?